Guys, what you're looking at is what's leaving the house. I got 30 shirts that I have folded up in here that I'm taking to donate to the secondhand store, and some more of my husband's stuff. I kept 7 of his shirts. No, okay. I kept 7 of them, the shirts that he liked. I don't know. Every time I touch his stuff, I feel like I'm sick in my stomach. So I assume that as much as I think that I'm totally healed, I'm not. I don't know. And I kept 7 of them, and there's more there. And then I have some yarn. Out of all my yarn, this is all I can give away. You know, I'm working on it. I'm a work in progress. Okay. Yeah, so this is my main stash of yarn here. Right now it's just crafty room. It looks just crafty right now, okay? I may change this. I just put this here. Keep the sun off of it. That is my main yarn items. And this right here, which I reorganized. This is my diamond painting, and this is my backup yarn. This is scraps and stuff there, open skeins, and this right here is an open bag, and I have some fluff. Yeah. So I'm going to put all this back stuff in here, back up the automobile, and head out and see you guys later. I'm going to do a little sewing today. I have a lot of reading to do. Can't find my other book. I don't know. I think I'm organized, but I just keep losing stuff. Like, I don't know where I put that other book. Ugh, it's just too much. This is why I need to get rid of stuff and have one spot for everything. I used to be like that. Anyway, instead of listening to me whine and moan and groan, because I am very happy, because I know God, I love God, and I'm so thankful that He's in my heart and my life. So you guys, until next time, take care of yourself, be good to yourself, take the time to do something for someone else, and have a beautiful day, a beautiful week.